Hey everyone, welcome back to Spider-Man Miles Morales. Where last time we just beat the game, so now we're pretty much just gonna find what else is out there. Alright, there we go. So let's just go. Cast pajamas. Alright, what's this about?
Hey, is this Spider-Man? It's Dale, from the bodega. Hope this is an okay time to call. It's Dale, by the way, from the bodega.
Hey, Tail. What's up, man?
Hey, listen, Spider-Man. My Spider-Man, you know, my cat, took a liking to you.
Oh, yeah? I like him, too. Good cat.
So, you know, I just wanted to say, if you wanted to come by and hang out with him sometime, or like take him for a walk or a swing or something, you know, that'll be okay. That's all I'm saying.
For sure. I'd love to chill with him. Thanks, Tail.
Oh man, that's great. He'd love that. Gonna tell him now. You're a good one, Spider-Man. See you soon.
Tail's great, man. Love that guy. Get that. Hey!
Alright.
Leave him alone!
Nope.
This doesn't involve you, Spider-Man! You're mine!
Alright, come on. And this.
Not doing me like that, kid!
Oh, right. Come on, do the Venom Blast here.
I'm gonna crush you!
Alright, here we go. Oh. Is that all of them? Oh. Still go. Oh, can I web through these guys? The big guys?
Help me out here!
Oh. Can't anymore.
I think I'm getting the hero thing down.
Alright.
Thanks. If you hadn't been here,
Those guys were awful. Glad they're off the street.
And we'll get this. Okay. Okay, so this is the mission? That's his apartment, right? Is this the wrong mission again?
Really need to sleep.
Oh. Guess we'll sleep then. There's really nothing else.
Quick nap.
Huh. Yeah, it's a different mission. Alright. So he's been asleep for a long time. Oh. Alright. What to say?
From Mom. It's a clue for a scavenger hunt.
Hmm.
Dad and I used to do these. Did she make a new one?
Alright. What? Alright, what's this about? Hmm. Oh. And you just have these Spider-Man suits out here?
Check this out.
Oh.
See what Mom put together.
Alright. So it's more stuff to collect.
Check it out of here.
Alright.
Natural History Museum.
What about these? What if someone's out the window just sees them? Alright. Maybe
Haven't
we'll...
been to the museum in forever. I think the last time was with Finn and Dad. Those trips are really fun. It's weird to think about now.
Alright. What is this mission though? I wanna do this. Okay. Better be it this time. Alright. Yep, that's the shop. Alright, how do I get in? Can I? Oh, there we go.
Hey, good to see you. Been telling everyone how you saved Spider-Man.
Alright.
You ready to swing, Spider
Oh.
Cat?
You two look great.
Okay.
Get out there and stop some crimes, you two.
Okay, I could just bring a captain? Oh,
Great news.
alright.
Roxxon's prototype labs in Manhattan are kaput. So are their reactors.
Finally! With the labs and Krieger gone, feels like Roxxon's butt has been firmly kicked.
I bet they'll be staying out of sight for a while.
Good. Because I don't want to drain any more reactors.
You said it, buddy. But I'm glad we were able to do this together.
Me too. Until our next adventure?
Which'll probably be 5 minutes from now, right? Deal.
Alright.
Nobody messes with my crew.
Alright, so
What was that noise?
does cat fighter do anything? Alright, come on.
Take your back shot!
Yeah. Alright. Do this. Nope. Okay. Come on, do the Venom Blast. We're already pretty close. So I'm just gonna charge up this. Alright, let's do it.
Be more subtle next time. Or, you know, just don't do crimes.
Alright. So does the cat do anything though?
The cops show up. Not looking for another vigilante lecture.
Yeah. Alright. What's up?
Spider-Man, hey. I'm Caleb. Good to meet you. Saw your mural at Teo's.
Thanks, man. I heard you needed help.
Every business on this block's had inventory stolen over the last few weeks. Paper products, kits, sanitizers. We're all local. We can't swallow a loss like that.
Did you report it?
Sure, but no one's taking us seriously. Camila, she runs the restaurant next door. Decided to look into it herself. Went down to the shipping center that supplies all of us.
I'll meet her there. See if I can help.
Thanks, Spider-Man. Good to have you looking out for us.
Alright. Yeah, I can't fast travel. We'll just have to go there manually.
Hey, Genki. I'm
Oh.
looking into some robberies on Harlem's main strip. Caleb's Clean Cuts in Panafuerte.
Oh, I love Pana Fuerte. Did you try the arepas?
I can't eat before I do intense superheroing. It's kind of like pool rules.
Right, totally. So, what's the plan?
Track down the stolen inventory, find out who did it, see if it's the same guys who went after Teo's Bodega in Beast North.
Sounds good. I'm on call for tech, map, and thinking through problem support.
Alright.
Cops? What's going on?
Oh.
Witness said a woman was stuffed in a trunk after arguing with some ex-con types. We got an ID?
From an Oscorp cam. Camila Vasquez owns Panafuerte in Harlem.
Oh my god. They kidnapped Camila. I had to try and find her, but cops won't like me interfering. Maybe if I get a look at the clues.
Alright, guess we'll just do this.
Camila definitely fought back. Need to figure out where they took her.
Alright. Oh. Can they see the papers floating?
Parking garage receipt. Chinatown. Okay. But where in Chinatown?
Okay.
You've been working a lot of overtime.
Dude's in the way.
Alright. Alright. We'll just go here.
Sorry.
This. Oh. Okay, wrong guy. Over here. There we go.
Yes. Now I can get a look at that clue. Jacket from David's Complete Auto Repair. Someone dropped it when they peeled out. Hey, you know where I could find David's Complete Auto Repair?
There's 12 of them in Manhattan.
Any in Chinatown?
Yep. Sending you the address.
Alright. So, alright. Yeah, how does the light work? Oh. Alright. That was cool.
Radio from Chinatown. A woman matching our Vic's description. Seen in an alley. Let's move.
Alright. Guess that's her.
Spider-Man, any leads on our inventory?
Yeah. The guys who stole it, think Camila caught them in the act. They kidnapped them.
What? You're sure?
Positive. I'm on my way to help her.
Good thing you came by when you did, Spider-Man. Thank you.
Alright.
Get the hell away from me!
Cops! Everybody go!
Oh.
No, no, no!
Okay. No. Alright, we can do it.
Let Camila go!
Am I seeing this right? Camila's in that car?
Yep.
Yes!
That's speeding through Manhattan, dangerously close to crashing?
Yes!
Oh my god.
Camila, you okay in there?
Oh. Wait, can I use my venom powers on these guys?
Lose them on the bridge!
Not sure if that counted. Yeah. Okay, probably not. Oh. Okay, this is cool.
Need to get that trunk open.
Please, help me!
Alright. Alright. There we go.
Are you okay, ma'am?
Spider-Man, I didn't expect you to... But those men...
It's okay now. You're safe.
Those men were paid to steal our inventory. Drive us out of business.
Oh.
They're holding it at the docks on FDR, near the bridge.
I'll get your stuff back. Do you need help getting home?
No. I can call a cab. Gracias. You saved my life, sir.
Wait, she can call a cab? So they didn't take her wallet? Alright.
Yankee, Camila's safe. She caught those guys stealing inventory. Said someone paid them to do it.
About that, I did some digging. Someone anonymously filed a request with the city to use eminent domain powers and condemn Camila and Caleb's flock.
Has to be the guy paying our criminals, right? So he can move in?
Totally. I put in a counter request asking for an investigation into whoever's trying to buy the land.
Dude, you're a genius. I'm headed to the docks to get the supplies back. Call you soon.
Alright. And there they are.
Crates. More crates. Where'd they hide the supplies? Bet those guys know. If I listen in, I can figure out which crate to open.
Oh, they're just listening?
Can't let them see me.
Okay. Let's do this.
Don't know if I'm gonna keep working for the big guy once he's settled in Harlem. Why not? It's good money. Some of what he wants to do don't sit right with him. Drugs, fine. Rackets, sure. But he kills people. Didn't know you were squeamish. Gotta draw the line somewhere.
Not what I need.
Alright. And... ah. These guys.
What do you think he's gonna build on the land? Apartments, maybe.
Oh.
Office space. Gonna run drugs out of them? Probably. Good way to make money quick.
Not in my neighborhood, it's not.
Okay.
You hear the boss wants to shut down Feast? Not anymore. New Spider-Man got it reopened. Psh, dumb kid. People who cross our guy tend to wind up dead.
These guys aren't helpful. Need to eavesdrop somewhere else.
Alright. Anyone else here is golden? Oh. These guys. Alright.
What are you planning to do with that stuff? Barber shears? Napkin holders? Probably dump it. You can get started if you want. Green crate with the white star.
Got it. Now I can take these guys down.
Alright. Yeah. Oh. Okay, they can see me now. Oh. Okay, they already know. Okay, I need all these guys together to do Venom Blast. Alright, come on. There we go. Alright, it's everyone? No. Alright, fine. Yeah. Alright, come on. Alright, so just 2 more, right? Yeah, come on. Yeah.
Harlem 1. Alpha guys working for mystery boss? 0. Now to find the goods. Green container, white star.
Alright. Alright, did that do something?
And now to get that inventory out of the crate.
Alright. Did it?
For real?
Oh.
More of you?
Alright. Nope. Alright, come on. Yes. Should I do Venom left?
Boss gave you rocket launcher?
Alright, come on. No, no, no. Okay, hit me.
I'm not letting you guys run a bunch of nice people out of business.
No, no, no. Okay, I'm gonna do the Venom Blast. Almost enough. Alright. Come on. There we go.
Boy, you gotta shut down a barbershop. We need those.
And it heals me.
Boss said kill him.
And this guy.
Spider-Man wants
Alright. There we go. Right, now I can open this. Yeah.
This is it. All the stolen supplies. Hey, Caleb. Found your inventory. Bring a few trucks down to the docks, and I hope you move it back.
Alright.
We were ready to file for bankruptcy and close our doors for good. Because of you, we're back on our feet. Thank you. 1,000 times. Thank you. You ever need a haircut, drop by. It's on the house.
How would that work with the mask?
I've seen stranger.
Oye, you need food too. You're a growing boy. Mira, come by Pana Fuerte anytime. We'll wrap up something nice for you, okay?
Appreciate it, both of you.
Everyone on the block feels the same. You've done us good, Spider-Man.
Alright. That's cool. So, anyways, what about the cat?
I've been talking to a local street artist named Haley. She has a lead on where this whole bad guy Harlem takeover operation is set up.
That's awesome. Where can I find her?
She's super busy helping plan the King's Day parade, but I'll post in the app as soon as she's free. Oh, you've met her. Before the rally, remember? Street artist, uses sign language.
Oh, yeah. She's cool. I'll look out for your post.
Cool. Talk later.
Alright. What's the cat though? Does it actually do anything, or is it just there to look cool? Alright.
Hey, Miles. I'm catching up on, yikes, kind of a backlog after being away for a few weeks.
No rest for the Spider-Man?
Nope. Speaking of which, I'm not gonna be swinging behind you, constantly looking over your shoulder now that I'm back. I trust you. And I have some stuff I should take care of.
Like what? Can I help?
I need to find a job. Freelancing with the Bugle was great, but I'd like something steady.
Have you thought about teaching? You're pretty good at it.
Honestly, no. No. Maybe. I'll think about it. Call you soon.
Alright.
Back off. Whoa, where'd you come from?
Okay. Guess we'll just do this now.
That'll work.
Oh.
Hey y'all, it has been a good week for Harlem. Spider-Man stopped the Tinkerer, Rio Morales was elected to city council, Roxxon Plaza is closed for good, and Simon Krieger is in jail. Woo! Ha! Bonus, I passed my citizenship test with flying colors! Still love you, China. Gonna miss your candy. Okay, back to business. In an attempt to save face, Roxxon's board released all of Krieger's personal documents. Memos, emails, real fun stuff. While I'm combing through those docs and waiting to hear Triple J eat crow on air, I'll be playing unreleased, pre-recorded cast. Fresh material coming in a few weeks, and in the meantime, remember to sing to your plants while you water them. Seriously, I love it. Okay, bye. See you soon.
All right then. Are one of these missions?
I'm gonna bring this helicopter down.
Oh God, I don't want to die!
All right.
Radio hack. Need to trace the signals. 3 of them.
All right.
Wiping their propaganda off this.
Don't let him mess with the signal!
Not letting you crash the helicopter
Right.
in Manhattan.
Come on. Yeah. That's a big guy there. Oh. All right. Come on. Yeah.
I can't believe this is happening!
All right. Come on. Oh. Nope. Okay. Kind of push some venom there. And there we go.
Okay, time to worry about the transmitter.
All right.
One down.
There we
2
go.
more.
Yeah.
Underground down.
Oh.
Transmitter next.
Okay. The cat helped the finisher.
1 left.
All right. That was cool.
Hey man, talk to me. Are you okay?
Not falling from the sky, but I don't have full control yet.
You'll have it soon.
All right. Let's do this. The venom blast. Oh.
All right, now for the transmitter.
I guess it's all of them. Wait, did we shock the
Kill
cat?
hack.
Alright.
The main purpose of stealth? Saving lives. Free all the hostages without being spotted to win this challenge. Time is a factor, so move quick. Zip to the prompt to get stealthing.
Hostages, eh? Sounds tense.
Alright.
Remember, you can take down guys while crawling on walls, too.
Oh.
Oh man, the hostages are all Pete. That's funny. And weird. Very Pete.
Try crawling
Okay.
on walls to position yourself for a takedown.
I'm not letting those spider hostages down. Gotta sneak.
Great takedown. Very strategic.
Right. Wait, do I have to take them all, or
Position's really uncomfortable.
just this?
Oh, thank you,
There we go.
Spider-Man.
You're what? Oh, right. Fake people.
Alright.
Auditory
This-
alert. Possible intruder.
There we go. And
Watch out for spiders.
you.
man.
You'll never get away with this, evil holograms. I knew you'd save me, my, Spider-Man.
Amazing. Love.
Alright, what if someone hears him call by his real name though?
Eso me gustó.
Searching for hostile target.
Like, this is the last one? Oh. Okay. They almost saw me.
Lights out for you.
Okay.
Returning to idle status. Possible disturbance. Initiating investigation.
Come on. I'm running out of time.
Alert. Evidence detect hostile target nearby.
Okay. 10 seconds.
Nap time, bro.
Alright,
All
come on,
that's
come on,
left is
come on.
freeing the hostages.
Come on.
That was
Oh.
an ultimate run, Miles. Gonna need to add some more challenge to these next time. All hostages freed. Huge success. Now that
Alright.
you've gotten the hang of them, stealth takedowns will give you a boost in power. Nothing like being in the stealth zone.
Gotta remember to bust out a few stealth takedowns next time.
This. Alright. Oh.
Listeners, you all know that I pride myself on truth, integrity, and facts. I've been tough on this new Spider-Man since the disaster on Braithwaite Bridge. For good reason. The kid screwed things up so bad, even the original model would have blushed redder than his costume. The classic one, not that ugly new thing. But today, I must also acknowledge that the city is rallying around this youngster and proclaiming him a hero. With an unstable energy source on the verge of wiping Harlem off the map, this youthful Spider-Man reportedly stepped in and saved lives. Or at least that's what his supporters want us to think. The real truth is that none of this would have happened if he hadn't donned a ridiculous suit and started swinging willy-nilly around the city, performing reckless acts of violence. Hero? More like zero? Ha! Jared, open up the lines. I want to hear from those who agree with me. Jared? I said open up the lines. What do you mean they're over? Well, something must be wrong. Folks, we're having technical difficulties. Please step up.
Alright.
Howdy, Miles. This challenge tests your point launch skills. Hit all the checkpoints before time runs out. Approach the prompt to begin. You got this.
Oh, I'm ready for this. Let's boogie.
Okay.
How about the point launch? That's it. The point launch is an essential fighter skill. When you got a motor, web swinging will get you there, but point launching will get you there now.
Alright. So, guess I'm just doing this.
Spectacular. Or as they say in New York, pretty good. Hit a point launch just right and you'll accelerate like crazy. Super helpful when chasing especially speedy pigeons.
Yeah.
Not that I would know anything about that, of course.
Alright.
Oh man, was that for Howard? I've heard about his pigeons.
Keep up the great work, and I'll see you at the next challenge.
Alright. So I can do this again? Yep. Alright.
Not to brag or anything, but back in my day, I hanged hoops across the Fulton Street L to sharpen my skills. MJ timed me with a stopwatch that didn't work half the time. It was usually raining, also snowing, and it was uphill both ways. Eventually training? Anyway, appreciate this retro tracking holographic haptic system, young man. Appreciate it.
When MJ gets back, I'm having her fact check all these stories.
Alright. Oh.
Turn me from Spider-Man into a Spider-Fan.
Okay.
Ultimate level work here, Miles.
Miles!
Oh.
I did it! I figured it out!
How to safely split an atom from the comfort of your own home?
That's next on my to-do list. No, speed nonagon. Collision model is updated, projectile physics is fixed, frame rate stabilized. It's awesome now.
Which means I can play it?
It still needs textures. Sound effects, music, VO.
I'll write the music. I can probably do sound effects too.
First we improve and design our own spider suit. Now we build a mobile game empire? We're unstoppable.
Never doubted it. I'm not doing spider things. When I get home, I'll set up a task board, start tracking out sound effects you'll need. Ooh, and sketching out a score.
Yeah, woo! Can you feel that? That's me fist bumping you from afar. Later, dude.
Alright. That's cool.
Subway's out.
Now we're gonna steal stuff.
What should I use this for? Oh, that felt good.
What?
Did you
Oh.
learn moves like that? Because they were amazing. Well done, Spider Squire. Smack those bad guys in their holographic head, but good. Now that you've got your throwing down, try extending your windup before release. Good way to clear some space. See you at the next challenge.
Oh, extended windup. Good
All right.
idea. Hey, bro. I read MJ's front pager about some Karia.
Not while you were swinging, I hope.
Sorry. Holding mentor mode, downshifting. What did you think of the article?
The article was great. The pictures? Eh. Where did they get this Peter Parker guy?
I'm sure MJ asks herself that all the time.
So how was the trip? Did you have to suit up while you were out there?
Nah. Sable handled it like a champ. Her and her wild pack. I mostly got to stand around taking pictures.
Sounds like a nice break. As much as a work trip can be.
Oh yeah. I'm feeling refreshed and ready to do some next level Spider-Man. And clean out the gutters at my house. Being a homeowner is glamorous, let me tell you.
Sounds like it. I'll let you go. Talk soon.
Alright.
Hey, Miles. This combat challenge is all about the art of the dodge. Defeat the enemies while taking as little damage as possible. 3 hits, and you'll have to restart. Step into the circle when you're ready. Good luck.
3 hits. Okay, got this.
Alright. So just don't get hit.
Let's practice the perfect dodge. Try dodging at the last possible moment.
Oh. Alright. This shouldn't be too hard then. Alright. Yeah.
Enemies incoming. Watch out for gunfire.
Alright, we'll do this.
Great start. More
Yeah.
enemies incoming.
That's a lot of guys.
Alright.
Attack protocol.
You got it.
Heads up. Ranged enemies on the field.
Okay, better do finisher. Oh.
Melee attack.
Hey, the cat fought.
Pulling the trigger. Look out.
No, come on. Alright, so the cat's there with the finishers then.
Wave incoming. Keep it up.
Is that all it does, or can it do more? Alright.
Incoming. Dodge.
No.
Dodge. Dodge.
Alright. Probably do this. There you go.
Epic. Last wave's up. You got this.
More guys.
Alright.
Alright. Let's do this.
Yeah. Oh. Hey, who owns this place? I don't think Peter owns this place. We're just destroying it for training.
Melee attack equal. Active.
Alright. No, we're doing this. Yeah.
Target deactivated.
Alright. Alright. And this. That's it? Yeah.
I'll bequeath the title of Ultimate to you, Miles. Nicely done. Nice work. Feels like you're picking up some new skills here. Remember, you can one-hit KO enemies after a perfect dodge. Pretty handy, just saying.
1-hit KO? Oh, gotta try that out.
And yeah. Yeah, you unlock these as you do training exercises, so that's cool.
Voicemail. Number's blocked.
Hey, Miles. I know you're gonna hear a lot about me. Things I've done, now that I'm serving time. I cut a plea deal, so it shouldn't be more than 2 years. But getting out early is not why I gave up Krieger. You told me you had to do better. And that meant looking out for other people, even if it cost you something. I don't have a lot of practice. But I'm trying. Thanks, kid. For making me a better man than I could be on my own. Take care out there.
Love you, Unc.
Well, everyone, I think that's going to be it for this episode. Just unlocked all these little things up here. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Goodbye.